As Australians install rooftop solar panels at world-leading rates, the electricity network is transforming. New technologies like home batteries, electric vehicles, and internet-connected appliances are providing unprecedented energy independence and reducing our reliance on the power stations that have fed the grid for decades. That's great news for individual households, but the growth of distributed energy resources is creating challenges for the network. To boost the stability and reliability of the network, ARENA is helping to build virtual power plants that harness the power of hundreds or even thousands of individual home batteries to soak up excess rooftop solar power and act as one big battery when the grid needs an injection of energy. Able to be controlled remotely by aggregators and market operators, virtual power plants can capture the collective potential of other distributed energy resources like electric vehicles and smart appliances to provide a renewable way to stabilise the network and maintain a dependable supply of electricity as the energy transition advances. At ARENA, we think distributed energy resources are an important part of our energy future. Our energy system will be stronger when we work together.